Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. We are the Boss Couple 22. Today's episode is brought to you from Tuscany. The sun hung low in the sky, casting a warm golden hue across the rolling hills of Tuscany, a land where time seemed to linger just a little longer. We found ourselves wandering through a labyrinth of vineyards, each row of vines stretching toward the horizon like a green ocean, undulating gently under the soft caress of the breeze. The air was fragrant with the earthy scent of damp soil and the sweet aroma of ripe grapes, a sensory invitation to explore the heart of this enchanting region. Tuscany is a haven for wine lovers, boasting numerous vineyards and wineries producing world-renowned wines like Chianti, Brunello di Montalcino, and Vino Nobile di Montepulciano. Exploring these vineyards offers a unique journey into Tuscan culture and the art of winemaking. From historic wineries to small group tastings and wine festivals, Tuscany provides a range of experiences for wine enthusiasts. Perfumes or colognes can diminish your ability to fully smell and taste what is in your wine glass. If you wear perfume at a wine tasting, you would be robbing a winemaker the opportunity for his or her wine to be appreciated and robbing patrons of their own enjoyment, one that they have paid for. As we strolled along the narrow dirt paths lined with meticulously pruned vines, we could see the rich, dark earth that cradled the roots of the Sangiovese and Chianti grapes. The vines, heavy with clusters of grapes, hung like jewels in the fading light, their deep purples and greens shimmering as the sun dipped lower. Each step took us deeper into the embrace of Tuscany, where the landscape seemed to pulse with life and history. The vineyards were dotted with rustic stone farmhouses, their weathered facades telling tales of generations past. Each crack and crevice a testament to the enduring spirit of the land. We paused at one such farmhouse, its terracotta roof glowing warmly against the backdrop of the vibrant green hills. A friendly vintner emerged, his hands stained with the rich hues of the grape harvest. With a broad smile, he welcomed us into his world, a place where the art of winemaking was not just a craft, but a way of life. His name was Marco, and as he led us through the Hessian vineyard, he shared stories of his family's legacy, which spanned over a century. He spoke of the challenges posed by the changing climate and the relentless pursuit of perfection that defined his craft. With every word, it became evident that winemaking was not merely a profession for Marco. It was a passion woven into the very fabric of his being. He pointed out the distinct characteristics of the vines, explaining how the unique terroir of Tuscany, the combination of soil, climate, and tradition, imbued each grape with its own personality. As we wandered deeper into the vineyard, we were captivated by the breathtaking views that unfolded before us. The undulating hills were a patchwork of greens and golds, dotted with cypress trees standing sentinel against the azure sky. The landscape was alive, a symphony of colors that shifted with the waning light, and we felt a profound connection to the land, as if we were part of something much larger than ourselves. After our walk, Marco invited us into his rustic cellar, a cool sanctuary filled with the rich aroma of aging wine. The walls were lined with barrels, each one a vessel of time, patiently holding the essence of the grapes harvested from the very vines we had just walked among. The atmosphere was thick with anticipation as he poured a glass of his finest Chianti, the deep ruby liquid swirling like liquid garnet under the dim light. As we brought the glass to our lips, we were greeted by a bouquet of aromas, ripe cherries, hints of leather, and a whisper of spice. The first sip was a revelation. The wine danced on our palates, a perfect balance of acidity and tannins, with flavors unfolding like a story. We savored the complexity, each note telling a tale of the sun-soaked days and cool nights that had nurtured the grapes. It was not just wine. It was Tuscany in a glass, a reflection of the land and its people. Over the next few days, we immersed ourselves in the culture of Tuscany, visiting other vineyards, each with its own character and charm. We tasted wines that varied from the robust Brunello di Montalcino to the delicate Vernaccia di San Gimignano, each sip a journey through the region's rich history. We learned about the ancient traditions that shaped the winemaking process, from the careful selection of grapes to the meticulous aging in oak barrels. We met other vintners, each eager to share their stories and philosophies. One afternoon, we found ourselves at a family-run vineyard, where a matriarch named Isabella welcomed us with open arms. Her laughter echoed through the vineyard as she recounted tales of her childhood spent among the vines, her hands deftly preparing a rustic meal of homemade pasta and fresh vegetables from the garden. As we dined al fresco, the sun setting in a blaze of orange and pink, we felt a profound sense of belonging, as if we were part of their family, sharing in their love for the land and its bounty. The meals were accompanied by generous pours of their own wines, each bottle a testament to the family's dedication and love for their craft. With every bite of the rich pasta, each sip of the velvety wine, we felt the essence of Tuscany seep into our very being. The flavors were bold, yet harmonious, a reflection of the land's vibrant spirit and the people who called it home. As our time in Tuscany drew to a close, we found ourselves reflecting on the experiences that had woven themselves into our memory, like the intricate patterns of the vineyard rows. We had come to understand that Tuscany was not just a destination. It was a tapestry of stories, flavors, and landscapes that spoke of resilience and passion. The lush vineyards, the laughter of the vintners, and the exquisite wines had all come together to create a symphony of experiences that resonated deep within our souls. Nay, through Tuscan vineyards, prioritize comfort and style. Think smart casual with a focus on breathable fabrics, layers, and comfortable footwear. Consider earthy tones and bright colors that complement the scenery. Sun protection is key, so don't forget a hat and sunglasses. You'll be walking and standing, so comfortable shoes like flats, wedges, or stylish sneakers are essential. Layering is your friend. Tuscany's weather can be unpredictable, so pack a lightweight cardigan, blazer, or jacket to layer as needed. Choose natural fabrics like linen, cotton, or silk to stay cool and comfortable, especially during warmer months. Sun protection. A wide-brimmed hat and sunglasses are essential for protecting yourself from the Tuscan sun. Smart casual look. Consider sundresses, blouses, skirts, or nice jeans for women, and short-sleeved dress shirts, golf shirts, and khakis for men. Consider the scenery. Earthy tones like olive, rust, beige, or soft floral prints can complement the vineyard backdrop. With a heart full of gratitude, we bid farewell to the vineyards, knowing that the essence of Tuscany would remain with us long after we left. Each time we uncork a bottle of Chianti or Brunello, we would be transported back to those sun-drenched hills, where the beauty of the land and the warmth of its people had left an indelible mark on our spirit. Tuscany had not only offered us a taste of its wines, but had also given us a glimpse into a life rich with history, culture, and an enduring love for the land.